from China with regard to the HMPV virus. There has been a case detected in Bengaluru of an 8-month-old child at a private hospital in Bengaluru. The kid has no travel history, however, has tested positive for this virus. Now, tests carried out at the hospital lab has confirmed HMPV positive. Now, Karnataka Health Department has, with the information conveyed to Union Health Ministry quickly enough, that Karnataka Health Department has said likely to wait for further direction from ICMR and Union Health Ministry. Just remember, one of the cases have been detected earlier as well, because this is an infant we are talking about. And I do not intend to sound alarming to the viewers, but this is for caution to be practiced by one and all. And to remember that even children can be affected by the virus. This is the HMPV virus. The flu samples basically. But for now, do not be alarmed, however, take all precautions. Virus, remember the symptoms according to doctors are similar to cold, cough, wheeze, runny nose. Not concerning as much as coronavirus, but it's best right now to practice extreme caution, because remember, even ahead of COVID-19 and the coronavirus spread, it appeared it's not a big deal, but you would be better advised to stay cautious on this. We'll be tracking more.
Being treated at a private hospital in Bengaluru, and what we understand is that a test that was carried out at the hospital has come positive for HMPV virus, and this has been conveyed to the State Health Department, which has in turn gotten in touch with the Union Health Ministry and the ICMR, seeking further direction on how to act next, whether the sample needs to be sent to NID Pune for genome sequencing and further tests, or whether there are additional measures that need to be taken, or if there remember, this is being tested at a private hospital lab, so they've also checked with the union government on whether this has to be now tested at a government lab, which has been used for COVID and other virus testing. So that is something that they're waiting for the union government to respond. Remember, one thing that has to be highlighted here is that it is still not very clear the kind of strain that is causing the spike in China, the strain of HMPV and structure of it. That's something that is not readily available with labs in India or with the various state health departments. So they're waiting for that information as well to cross-verify on whether this HMPV positive case from Bengaluru has a similar strain that is causing spike in China, because this 8-month-old child hasn't traveled, has no travel history as well. So they are waiting for more specific directions coming in from the ICMR and the Union Health Department.
In circulation, in the sense the virus has always been there in India. There's no need to panic. It's not like COVID that the virus came from outside. It's most common in flu. That's 0.7% of most flu samples that you get tested for HMPV. It gets detected as positive, and hence there's no need to panic, is what the health department has said. But however, it's an 8-month-old baby who has no history of traveling outside Bengaluru, and Karnataka has been infected with HMPV. The government has said not any new case. HMPV is usually detected, but what is the concern is we are yet to get the DNA strain of this virus and match it with whatever China virus is. Is it the same or is it a new strain? Is there a need to panic or not? The government will have to take a call further in weeks.
That needs to happen very quickly to gather more information on the exact strain that is causing the spike in cases in China, because then you have a reference point, because many experts that we have spoken to from morning are saying that there is a possibility that HMPV virus was already present to a certain extent and wasn't seen as a virus concern, or wasn't even being reported or monitored. And there are several pathogens like that which don't really get monitored, which cause a few cases here and there. Does India now need to take some sort of action to check all the tests and monitor this particular strain? This is something that, this information is something that needs to go to all state government for better monitoring mechanism. Obviously, all the doctors and the experts saying that there's nothing
worry at this point in time.